In the quiet of the North Star, shadows fell too long. We're asking if the dream is real or if we've got it wrong. The arc of history feels heavy, the climb is feeling steep, while mothers in the Twin Cities lie awake and weep. Is the beacon still burning? Does the promise still hold? In the silence of the winter, in the bitter biting cold. But I remember the lights stretching round the block, young and old, rich and poor. We're the ones who talk, not a collection of colors, not red or blue or gray, but a people who believe that we can find a better way.
Yes, we can.
Bend the arc once more.
Oh, yes, we can.
Heal the heart that's sore.
It's the answer in our voices.
It's the power in our hands. Out of many,
We are one.
across these broken lands, we are not enemies but friends. The bond will never break. Yes, we can. For every soul and every life at stake. It's a long time coming, but the change is in the breath of a nation that refuses to be defined by death. Block by block, brick by brick, with calloused hands we build until the promise of our fathers is finally fulfilled. Like Nixon Cooper, a century of sight. We've seen the darkest hours, but we've always found the light. To those who tear the world down, we will not be moved. To those who seek the peace, our strength is being proved. It's not the might of arms, it's not the scale of weight, it's the healing of our spirit, it's our nation's health. Yes, we can.
Yes, we
Yes, we can. While we breathe, we hope. Where there's doubt, we'll respond with that timeless creed. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Yes, we can.